So welcome back, YouTube. I've been posting a lot of like short form content. Hopefully you keep up with that. I'm James Molino on TikTok. But yeah, pretty much I kind of just want to go over like the crypto market, and like where it's at right now. I just want to post like kind of a long video about it. It'll only be like 5 minutes or so. But yeah, that's pretty much where I've been on short form. I've been on TikTok and YouTube Reels. I've been trading the Nasdaq. I've been really doing ICT, but I've been kind of learning this new rejection block strategy. So I'm kind of like paper trading it right now. So excuse all this indicator stuff. This is for my stock trading. So kind of ignore that when it comes to this. But this is Bitcoin, right? And if you've kind of seen the news, we've Bitcoin's at 61,000 all-time highs, or 126,000. So we're down right now a lot. Crypto markets are cooked. Wow, like if you look at the S&P on the weekly time frame, the S&P couldn't be. I mean, that is insane. Today was actually like the first red candle in 9 weeks. That's fucking nuts. Yeah, today was a much needed drawback on the S&P because it was that was the S&P, like the overall U.S. stock market, like U.S. companies. But so this is Bitcoin. This is kind of like 2017, 2018. Pretty much this is where we are right here. So it's pretty obvious we're in a bear market, right? What I generally think is going to happen right now, and I think I've seen some other notable people on crypto Twitter that have gone through this multiple times, but they also think, right? If you go to every previous bear market, which a bear market is when we're going down, right? Bear market, bear market, bear market, bull market, right? So bear market. This bear market was 87% down from all-time highs until we bottomed out and kind of started to rally up again, right? Let's go to the most recent bear market. That was 77% down until we started to see a bottom, right? And then it would beef up. So right now, from all-time highs, we're only down like what, 40, like 52%. So I think we have another 20%. Every market we get stronger, I think we have another 20%. I think we'll see 38. I think we'll see this level in Bitcoin. I don't know the exact number, whether it's 38,500 and above. But we could also very see, just from so many people selling and getting rid of that point, easily could see 27,000, which is just wild to me. But that's how the market moves. I don't know. I don't, because that's only 78%, right? And that's what the other ones were. So it wouldn't be too crazy to me. However, I don't know. I think we'll only see like a 70% in total, 60 about the 68. But who knows? Maybe we could see the traditional, really full blown, near almost 80%. Yeah. Either way, you know, I my thesis, it's kind of hard because, right, a lot of people's kind of like first buying levels, right? Start buying here, start buying here, you start buying here. So we're just getting to people, smart money. People know how to play these markets. They're just starting to get their first purchase, their first buys, right? They have three big buys during the bear market. The first one is, if not now, just about now. Another one here, and then if we get that third one I was talking about, they'd probably buy up here. So yeah, I honestly think like we got most of the bleeding out of the way, like I've said. Um, what is it? June 5th. I think by the end of June, July, maybe by the end of July, we'll taken these out. We'll be bottomed, and we'll have the Clarity Act being passed. And that will pretty much set the bottom, and we go up from there. Like in terms of like altcoins, like Solana, same thing. Jesus, this looks horrible. Um, wow, really bad. Yeah, we could see 30 Sol. Although they're holding like a lot stronger than you'd think. Wow. But yeah, um, Ethereum, same thing. Um, and it's so weird. You have a couple altcoins like Hyperliquid on the Solana blockchain, by the way. Like people, oh, Hype gonna flip Sol. I mean, I already flipped Sol a couple days ago. Now it's back down, but big deal. Like it's on the Solana blockchain. We want Solana wants people that are building on it, all that type of stuff. Like good stuff. We play it at Hyperliquid. It's perps 24/7. Any crypto, any stock. I'm pretty sure even I have pre-IPOs now, although I'm not 100% sure. This, well, everything you just saw the other crypto charts, everything's down. This is just this is it's gone, which is crazy, crazy. Like, which pretty much tells you like if something's going up while the market conditions are bearish, it means when market conditions flip bullish, it should go up 3 times the rate it is right now. But yeah, my conviction, you can probably, I'll go into a different video what I specifically buy a lot of. That was just kind of like the overall where I think we're going. Um, like I said, once we see this, start buying Bitcoin, start buying your favorite alts. I have a couple alt. I have one alt in specifically Solana that I'll start buying a lot of once Bitcoin kind of comes down here. Yeah, a couple people. I wanted to show you guys these tweets. A couple of people that are significant in the space, like Mert, CL Helios. So, pretty much he was on the Solana team. Now he does like I think I'm not sure if he's involved in Zcash. I'm like 100% sure he is, but I know he owns a lot of it. Now he's all about privacy, 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 but he's just big name in the game. Zcash kind of came out with some like I think Claude like found like a bug in it, so then they fixed it, and it kind of caused the price to go down because it came out they had a bug in it.
Tell you what I'm doing personally, right? Because so first of all, like I'm not gonna fucking sell. Like if you go to bat for a protocol and you live by the sword, just die by the sword. Okay? There's no desertion happening here. I read this in Solana. Fundamentally, no new information is surfaced except for the fact that one less bug exists. This is how I.
So he's talking about Zcash, but just like overall kind of conviction. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. But yeah, pretty much. I mean, like, well, you want like crypto Twitter and the market sentiment to be absolutely dead. That's when we go up to. Does right now. Soul Jakey's been around for a couple runs. So pretty much, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Yeah, I think June, July will bottom out, but these prices are awesome to see. In my opinion, I know it's kind of weird to say, but I love when we get stuff on sale that we can buy. Yeah. So yeah, keep buying. I could be wrong, so don't take anything I said too seriously, and see you in the next video.